Hey guys, welcome back. This is my 2011 Smart 4.2, and one of the coolest things about it is the body panels. Unfortunately, this car was hit, as you could tell right here. I'm kind of sitting right by the damage. It looks like it was sideswiped while the car was parked. Now, that seems pretty terrible, right? And it is. I'm pretty devastated about it. But you know what's great about this car? Everything on this car is a panel. Other than the Tridion safety cell, everything is designed to be replaced. So the outside structure of the car, as you can tell if I push in, it is very flexible. These are all just plastic pieces that are simply just attached to the body with simple hardware that you can replace yourself. I, in fact, could replace this whole front fender for about, $150, or for about $800 to $900, I can buy a whole replacement panel kit for the whole car. So for about $900, you can replace or change the color of your Smart 4.2. That is pretty cool. For now, I will not be replacing this. I wanted to do actually a test and to see whether some of these cheapest Amazon magic erasers, these are copies of the Mr. Clean magic erasers. I wanted to see whether these cheapest magic erasers from Amazon, I think I paid around $4 for these, whether they in fact will at least clean up half of the damage. Now, a lot of this damage, there is some scuffing here, and as you could tell, it looks like the front layer, which is the glossy layer, it doesn't look like paint to me. It looks like it's been removed in some spaces, but at least this car is white, and the exterior is white, and the inside of the panel is also white. So that is actually fantastic. The best thing about the Smart 4.2 is the panels are very flexible. So even the door, I could easily push it in a couple inches. They don't deform. So in fact, these are dent-free panels. Just like years ago when the Saturn was out, different kind of car, different kind of company, they were marketed as being dent-free. So even if you had a shopping cart run into your car in a parking lot, this would not dent. So the best thing is about the wing is it at least did hold its shape. And let's see whether I can at least clean it up some and see how bad the damage actually is. So what I'm gonna do is take one of these magic eraser foam pads, spray some lubricant on it, and let's see whether I can at least clean some of it. Here we go. This takes a little bit of scrubbing, but I know these things work really well. I've already tried with different kinds of glass cleaners and other different products, and honestly, it was completely unsuccessful. So right now, it looks like it's coming off really well. Okay, actually looks fantastic. The paint is smooth. Of course, where it wasn't damaged, I still see a little bit of the white outside shiny material missing, but it's okay. It's almost unnoticeable. As I go over it, I do feel a difference in texture, but you know what? This pad is fantastic. Look at the shape. It's not even torn. These are some of the cheapest I was able to find. So really good for repairs like this. Let's move on to this larger piece right over here. Look at that, guys. Extremely good job. So, you know what? As long as you don't have any major cracks or damage in the body panel, it is fairly restorable. This was a relatively severe impact. I'll tell you this, I had a club on in the car, and when I got back in the car, pretty much the club was a totally different direction. So that means that the impact was hard enough to turn the wheels enough to move the club all the way around. So basically 180 degrees down, right? And what's great is since this car has no power steering, it didn't break any of my steering components in the car itself. Okay guys, so I'm done. You saw that was pretty much fast, easy, cheap. I'm not going to be replacing this panel. It is in actually very good condition. The only kind of defects I could see is some of the clear coat missing around the rim right here of the fender. It's not a big deal. All the actual paint scratch marks are gone. And I'll tell you this, I did try with pretty much every other sponge, cleaner, and solvent that I could to get the scratches off before, and I wasn't able to until I used the white sponge from Amazon. There it is, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or projects you would like to recommend to me, please, I'm always grateful for anything that my audience recommends. Till next time,